nine trees, husband to a superwoman. I'm an engineer, entrepreneur, traveler, author, and a parenting expert for quite a long time now. It's been more than a decade. And I'm on a mission to help hundreds of thousands of parents like you to bring the best versions of their children. Friends and parents, as you know that I'm very much passionate about talking on different topics related to children. So today I have again a very refreshing topic for you. So today I want to introduce somebody very special to me. So here is my friend come buddy. Here it goes, and his name is Addy. So Addy is one of the best buddies of my child. So today I have brought him to introduce with you my new friend of mine who is my buddy as well. So what I'm gonna talk about is today soft toys, and just wanted to tell you why kids love to play and spend more time with their soft toys. This is the topic of today. I'll repeat. Today I'm gonna talk about why kids spend more time with their soft toys. Okay? So to start with, मैं आप लोगों को ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि बच्चे होते हैं ना, बच्चों को क्या चाहिए एक्चुअली में? They need attention, they need acceptance, they need acknowledgement, they need appreciation. ये सारी चीजें बच्चों को चाहिए होता है. तो आप देखेंगे बच्चे रोते भी है ना, सो दैट इज एन अटेंशन सीकिंग एक्टिविटी. जो बच्चा ज्यादा रोता है, मम्मी पापा उसके ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान भी देते हैं. इट्स ह्यूमन, इट्स नेचुरल. सो जब मैं बच्चों की बातें करता हूँ और जब मैं टॉयज की बात कर रहा हूँ आज, स्पेशली व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सॉफ्ट टॉयज, तो इसके पीछे बहुत गहरा कारण है. सो टुडे आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट दोज रीजंस. Now let me tell you, you must have seen lots of manufacturers are there making customizing soft toys. क्यों ऐसा क्यों है? उसके पीछे कारण सिंपल है कि इसकी डिमांड ज़्यादा है. और डिमांड ज़्यादा क्यों है? क्योंकि we as parents want to buy these toys for our children. And why do we buy these toys for our children? Because our children love spending time with them. Am I right? So you may think the reason why stuffed toys are so popular these days because they are cute, they are soft, but there is much more to that, right? Kids at all ages, हर एज के बच्चे अपने टॉयज से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, and sometimes even they get so attached for years, right? Reason being कि उनका अपनापन हो जाता है उनके साथ, उनका कंपेनियन बन जाते हैं, दोस्त बन जाते हैं. And I'll tell you, as per the research and the experts, playing with soft toys can help children explore their feelings and emotions more easily. But इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Soft toys के साथ बच्चे अपने इमोशंस को freely express तो कर पाते हैं, but actually how it works and how exactly does a stuffed, teddy bear like my Addy make it easier for kids to understand themselves and the world around them. So there are lot more things. There are so many things in which we can teach our children, and our children behave in a very different way when they are with their soft toys. उन अपने best buddies के साथ होते हैं. Correct? So today I'm going to talk about the reason why they are spending more time, and they love spending more time with their friends, this teddy bears or soft toys. तो सबसे पहला रीजन क्या आता है ना, उनको कंफर्ट चाहिए, राइट? कंफर्ट किस सेंस में? जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि बच्चों को अटेंशन सीकिंग होती है, उनको चाहिए कि वो जैसे हैं लोग उनको एक्सेप्ट करें. सो टेडी बेयर या जो सॉफ्ट टॉयज होते हैं उनको डांटते नहीं है, एज सिंपल है ना. दे आर जस्ट टॉयज. तो एक बच्चा है, यदि वो कुछ बोलता है तो टेडी बेयर इज नॉट गोइंग टू रिएक्ट. We as parents or siblings or elders react more often rather than giving them comfort. So these young kids need more comfort. उनको comfort मिलता है. Comfort इसलिए मिलता है क्योंकि वहाँ उनको कोई जज नहीं कर रहा होता है, वहाँ उनको कोई डांट नहीं रहा होता है, वहाँ उनको कोई समझा नहीं रहा होता है, वहाँ उनको कोई ज्ञान नहीं दे रहा होता है. We as parents are डूइंग ऑल दो स्टफ, आपको पता है कि हम सब चीजें हम लोग कर रहे हैं, राइट? जाने अनजाने में हम इतना ज्ञान देते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे हमसे अनकंफर्टेबल होना शुरू कर देते हैं। Wherein when they are talking to their soft toys, their buddies, they are not judged, और वो अपने दिल की बात कर पाते हैं। उनको पता है ये मुझे डांटने बताने समझाने वाला नहीं है, राइट? ओके, नाउ I tell you, this soft toys help kids develop their social skills, right? When I talk about social skills, when you see your little one cuddling with their favorite, stuffed toy, it may not look like play, but the truth is these toys help lay the groundwork for important social skills. And the research, as I always talk about, the research shows that this time between 12 to 18 months is optimal for starting using toys, especially for those kids, obviously, right? Soft, dolls or animals or teddy bears or something like that. यहीं से शुरुआत होती है. And everyday activity is a part of their lives. Correct? तो बच्चे क्या करते हैं, जब इनके साथ खेलना शुरू करते हैं तो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना शुरू करते हैं. करेक्ट? सो आई विल टेल यू, इसके साथ साथ क्या होता है, बच्चे में लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है. दे फॉस्टर लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट. वहीं से जब बच्चा किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बात करता है ना, तो जब अपने टेडी बियर से, अपने बडी से बात कर रहा होता है, तो उसमें एक लैंग्वेज की डेवलपमेंट होती है. ही फाइंड्स वर्ड्स, ही फाइंड्स एक्शंस. करेक्ट? वो छोटी छोटी चीजें से बातें करता है, छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स लेके आता है. ही मे और मे नॉट बी यूजिंग द राइट वर्ड्स, बट when they start playing with these soft toys, this is a viable way of developing speech and language skills, right? बिना बताए बच्चा सीख रहा होता है. So when you help your child act out playful role playing scenes, talking becomes a natural part of the process. Correct? So what do you think encourages the best of use of language? Playing with blocks or interacting with soft toys? So I'll tell you, the research and experts also say that telling a story by making stuffed animals talk to each other is a powerful way of laying the groundwork for reading and writing. मैं बता रहा हूँ पेरेंट्स, छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, दिस इज सो वैल्यूबल, सो इम्पोर्टेंट, कि हमारे बच्चे बाय डिफॉल्ट करते हैं और हम भी कई बार बाय डिफॉल्ट करवाते हैं, बट वी नेवर नो अबाउट इट. So my part is to tell you how these things work and how it's going to help your children. Okay, now moving forward. Playing with soft toys encourage compassion and empathy in their children, right? So when children care for their stuffed toys, stuffed animals, they nurture their natural desire to connect with others. आप समझिए कि यदि बच्चा टॉय के साथ यदि कडल कर रहा है, उसका केयर कर रहा है, इसका मतलब he is developing that kind of compassion and empathy. Right? So again, research has shown that children develop an appreciation for relationship with others through these kind of toys and playing with them. Right? So this explains why experts suggest introducing stuffed toys as new members of a classroom, as a member that need love and care. Right? In other words, if I say taking care of a stuffed toy encourages a child to consider the toy's need को समझना शुरू कर देता है. So the moment a guy, a person, a child starts understanding this kind of feeling, आप समझिए कि he is on the right track. Okay? So just to tell you all this stuff, and just I'm on the verge of now summing it up, saying that the child has the right to love a toy. You may or may not like that much. I understand that. So it really doesn't matter if your child's best friend is either a plush car or a pink cat or a bear or a spider. Love works in stand ways. वो उसको प्यार करता है, उसको करने दीजिए. And never ever take your child's this cuddly toy as a punishment. हम लोग कहते हैं ना, punishment के तौर पे बच्चे से खिलौना छीन लेते हैं. Please never do that. And moreover, don't laugh or make jokes about your child's attachment to their beloved cuddly toy. And keep in mind that a child's emotion requires unconditional acceptance and respect. right? So if you understand all this, I'm very much thankful to you listening to my one more episode, and I'll again come back with a new topic. Thank you for now.